to make Mother's Day card. It's almost Mother's Day. Now it's the perfect time to show how much you love your grandma. I love my mom, and I know that my mom loves a homemade card, so I'm going to make one. If you like any of these, you can make one for your grandma too. All you need is some card. You can use any color you like. I've got some yellow card here. This yellow is nice and bright. I'm going to fold the card over like this, meeting the edges so you have the card shape. Now to add the roses. Now for this I'm going to use some very unusual. For this celery. I know! Now I'm going to chop the bottom of the celery off. You can eat the celery sticks later if you like. And I'm going to use the bottom of the celery as a flower print. Now the next day you'll need some paint. I've used some wood paint because my mom likes roses, and I'm going to dip the celery into a paint, making sure there's not too much on there, and then dab it onto the car. So I'm going to make 3 roses and make sure there's lots of space between them. Because now I'm going to add the stems, and the stems will green, and I'm going to use this paintbrush to add them. Just a line down there, and there, and there. And there we have it. A beautiful card for Mother's Day. The next day is to wait for the paint to dry. You can write a lovely message inside. You can write your name and a big kiss. And your mother will run up all night. Bye.